Okay, here we are. We're back. We're continuing with our lines and our command line options. And right now we're on 4 points. So line with 4 points, right? So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and select this and just hide it. You can get the line from 4 points from the drop down, and then right here, a line from, well, that's line through, right here, line from 4 points here. Or you can go ahead and just click on your line and come down here for 4 points, right? So there's two different ways to get it. The first thing I'm going to do is draw a couple lines out there. So let's get our viewports in here. I'm just going to draw a line here, draw a line maybe right here, and I'll even draw one right here. Okay, so this line from 4 points, what it does is it will give you a line from two specific areas. So basically, you have to define the curve that you want, the line that you want. So you'll definitely want snaps on, because you'll probably be using it as a reference to get a certain angle on or a certain area of two different lines, right? You could use these as helpers to get your line so you can make your object at a certain angle or direction or whatever. But your first two clicks will define the angle. So I have my end snaps on, my near snaps, and I can go ahead and turn on my mids and my intersection. And let's say I want to draw a line. I want to draw something right in here, right? But I need it where it's at this angle. So what I'm going to do is click here first, and that will define that first point, and this will define the second point. Now it's locked in that angle, right? So I can move it on either direction. So I can go over here and click here, and then bring it back and click here. And now I have this line going straight from these 2 points. And if I draw a line curve from here to here, it goes right over the top of the other curve, right? So that's basically what it does. So let's go ahead and I'll go to my right click my command line and go to 4 points again. You can, let's say we want a line going past here. So we can go here, here, that defines the angle, and then I can go down and make it to the, oh wait, I didn't put line from 4 points. So I'll click here, grab my line, click on 4 points, and then I go from here to here, and then define my angle, and then I can also go from both sides from that point, maybe, if I need to, and use my snaps to snap to things that I might need. So basically that's really what it does. I don't use this command too often, but if you're trying to get a specific angle or curve from two different curves or two different surfaces, because you can use surfaces too. So let's just grab a surface out here real quick, and we'll kind of angle that like this, and we'll take it, hold down shift or alt, and I'll just drag another surface over here, and we'll angle it like this. Change those surfaces to a different color here real quick so they're not burning my eyes. And then if I go to my curves menu, go to my curve, and then go from 4 points, I can snap from this point here to this point here, and then I can define whatever I need from that maybe area to that area. So I need that line there to sweep around or something like that. But that's pretty much what it is. Like I said, I don't use it quite often, but it can come in handy. So hopefully that'll help. Pretty easy to use. So thanks for watching. And oh, one other thing real quick. If I go there and I click on my line from 4 points, and let's say I want this surface to this, and go in here, and I can actually click that start line, right? Let's click the start line, and I can define the end line by typing in 4 millimeters. Now it's locked in that 4 millimeters, and if I hit enter, it'll lock it right there in that 4 millimeters. So you can actually define how long you want it as well. So there you go. That's pretty much it. Hopefully that helps, and we'll keep on going. What do we got next? We've got bisector. So we'll be right back.